Yeah, I mean the bus stop is there, that's not right either. This black car is holding a phone in their right hand, low down and well concealed. Oh yes. He's put the phone away, he knows he's in the wrong there. Hey, what the hell are you doing watching videos? Come on mate, why are you not going through? Maybe, yeah, this light is out, but there was a green arrow on the other side.